Now let's see how to change the engine oil. So to drain the engine oil, first thing is we need to remove this engine guard. So to remove that, we need to remove this nut here. I mean bolt and nut. The other side is a nut, I believe. So we need to remove this. Once we remove this, we'll get access to this. We can actually just remove this directly, but then all the oil will fall on this and then it will like spread over, which we don't want to do it. I mean, we don't want to mess up the area. So first let me remove this and then we can change the engine oil. So the engine oil that I've got is Honda's 4-stroke engine oil. This is the one that I've got. So this is 474 rupees for 1 liter of oil. This is the one. And I got another thing called as Newlon. This is like an additive to the engine. This is a good additive. So I got this and this one. So let's get started. So we are going to use a 14 number ratchet spanner with an extender. This is the one that I'm using. Okay. Now start. Okay, I'm spinning it way too much, but it is not getting loose. So you need to go to the other side and make sure you hold the bolt with the spanner. Okay, let's go the other side now. Now that you can see the bolt is rotating, right? Instead of us doing this, you can hold it with another spanner that my brother will help me with that. So just remove it like this. And your nut would have come out. So now that this is removed, we have full access to our engine oil drainer here, if you guys can see. So this is the one that we'll remove now. To remove this drainer, you need a 12 size ratchet spanner and loosen it little bit and just wait for it. Oil will start dripping. Before that, you need to get a old container like whatever I'm using. If you have an old container, well and good, but keep it ready. We'll just keep it just like this for some time, maybe about 20 to 30 minutes, and then we'll get back to this. We can fill the engine oil after that. So to put the engine oil, you need to remove this. So to remove this, use a pliers. Make sure you don't damage this part. Use a pliers and use a cloth. Put a cloth on this first and then use the pliers to remove this. I'll show you how it's done. So this is what you'll use. This is the pliers. Keep a cloth like this and then turn it anti-clockwise and it's out. Keep it out just like this and clean the edges. Alright. So this is the old engine oil. I'll keep it aside now. And this is the engine oil drain area. So I got this new washer and new drain bolt. So I'll fix it here. Use the ratchet spanner to tighten it. Yeah, that much is enough. Alright. Now let's go to the other side and fill the engine oil now. This is the engine oil dipper. Now that all the engine oil is drained, we'll fill the new engine oil. New engine oil is here. Okay. Now take this funnel and pour your engine oil. Come here. So this is new on the engine treatment oil that we'll be pouring. This is something extra that we'll add now. So take out the funnel and now clean this dipper stick properly and put it back. If you actually get some oil, put it to this washer here. So that it doesn't go bad soon. Alright, and fix it back inside. Same method, tighten it. Use a spanner and not spanner, pliers, and then use a cloth here. Then just tighten it. Your engine oil is added to the bike. So this is the basic thing that you can do. Fix back your engine guard. If you guys haven't seen my video on the engine guard and crash guard installation, you can watch it. And let's take our bolt. Where is my bolt? Yeah, so this is the one. So fix it here. And need to check whether it's gone properly on the other end. So I'll go that side. Fix this bolt correctly and it has to come out this side. Use this bolt to tighten it. Yes. Oh shit, fell down. You can use your ratchet spanner, please. Thank you. The 14 size spanner, 14 size. Make sure it is tight enough. Yeah. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. It will give me a motivation to do more videos. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video up until here. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm saying this again. And you guys can ping me on Instagram as well. My Instagram ID is there on the left side bottom corner. It's flipside2626. That's about it. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.